Hey there, tech fans. Rick here again from the OREI team with an overview of the HDA-4K MB HDMI Audio Embedder. This product allows you to very easily switch out the audio from any HDMI media stream and add your own audio through an analog or a digital SPDIF connection. And there's a switch on the front of the unit that allows you to easily select from the audio that's already in the HDMI media stream, or to an analog source, or to a digital SPDIF source. The product fully supports 4K ultra high definition media content and is both HDMI 2.0B as well as HDCP 2.2 compliant, which means it's plug and play compatible with a wide range of modern media equipment. It also provides pass-through mode where the video and audio coming from your HDMI media source can be what's displayed on the monitor, but you also, like I'd mentioned, have the option to switch in analog or digital audio just by moving that switch on the front of the unit. Now, as part of this overview, I'd like to start with a quick unboxing first, just to show you everything that's included with the product. And then I'll take a closer look at the unit, and I'll explain the connections and indicators so you understand how to use it. I'll list the features and functions that this product provides, and then I'll come back one more time and do a short demonstration to show you just how easy this product will be to use with your own equipment. So let's get started with that unboxing. When you first pop open the box, you'll find the unit. It's small, durable, it's got a metal enclosure, really nice little unit. You'll also find a single 5-volt 1-amp DC power supply. You can simply plug this end into any standard wall outlet. The other end of the cable has a barrel connection on it, which plugs directly into the module and provides all the power you'll need for operation. And finally, a full instruction manual is also included that lists connection diagrams, specifications, and a lot of other really good information about the product that you'll need to understand in order to use it correctly. Now, if you stay tuned next, I'll take a closer look at the unit, I'll list the features and functions, and then I'll come back and do that demonstration. The product features a full metal enclosure which makes it incredibly durable and helps to minimize outside interference from causing any issues with the sensitive electronics inside. On either side of the cabinet, you'll find ventilation slots that are designed to let any heat that develops during operation escape to keep the electronics inside at a comfortable temperature. On the front of the unit, starting on the left, is a DC input port, and that's used with the included power supply. You can simply plug that power supply into a standard wall outlet. The other end of the cable has a barrel connection on it, which plugs in right there and provides all the power you'll need for operation. Now, once you add power to the unit, it immediately starts an internal power on self-test where it checks the electronics, and once it passes that test, it'll light the power LED, letting you know it's ready to use. To the right of that is a 3-position switch where you can select which input you'd like to use for the audio, either HDMI, optical in the center, or line input to the right. To the right of that is an HDMI port labeled output. This connects to your display device, and always use a high-quality HDMI cable for that connection. Once you make that connection, the cable is checked. Once it's been verified, the link indicator will come on, letting you know you have a solid connection. On the rear of the unit, starting on the left, you'll find a full-sized HDMI port that's labeled input. That connects to your media device, and again, use a high-quality cable. And to the right of that, you've got a 3.5mm port labeled line in. That's an analog input that you can use to inject audio from an analog device. And to the right of that is an SPDIF optical connection that you can use to inject audio through an optical device. So whichever of these you use, make sure you have the switch on the front set for HDMI, analog, or optical. That's pretty much it for the unit. The OREI HDA-4K MB is compatible with most modern HDMI media sources, including digital projectors, computer systems, streaming devices, game consoles, and media players like Apple TV. The product's features include full support of 4K ultra high definition media content. It offers both a digital SPDIF and an analog input for audio. It's both HDMI 2.0B as well as HDCP 2.2 compliant. It provides HDR pass-through and offers a compact and durable design. Now I'll show you the connections you'll need to make to use this product with your own equipment. And for this demonstration, over here I've set up a small media player that's currently looping a video with music in the background, and that's the media content I'd like to display in this monitor. I've also set up a second audio source with different music that I'd like to use to replace the music on the original track. Over here I've set up a monitor for displaying the image, and in front of me I have the HDMI audio embedder. This product allows me to select that second audio source and replace the audio from the original HDMI media stream. So the first connection I'll make is from the media player directly to the unit. I've already connected a high-speed HDMI cable up to the player, and I'll plug that into the HDMI input port on the unit. And now I can connect the monitor up. I've got a second high-speed HDMI cable connected to the monitor, and I'll plug that into the output. So essentially this unit is in line with that HDMI media feed. And now I can add power. I've already plugged in the power supply. The other end of that cable has a barrel connection on it which plugs directly into the front of the unit. It takes a second for it to go through its power on self-test, and there's the original media content. So what it's doing now is just passing through the HDMI signal, which includes the video and the audio. The second audio source is analog. So I've got a 3.5mm cable right here that I'll plug into the line input on the back. And you can also use an optical source if you prefer that. Right now it's still playing that original audio. If I want the second audio to override that first audio track, I just flip this to line, and there's the second audio. Now again, the nice part about this is I have two inputs. It could be an analog left and right, which is the one I'm using, or an optical SPDIF signal if I've got a different media source. So this allows me to essentially replace the audio track behind any video by embedding the new audio into the HDMI media stream, so both of them are displayed on whatever you're using and as an output device. And it really is just that easy to get it working. I hope you found this overview of the OREI HDA-4K MB HDMI Media Embedder helpful. This product gives you a really easy solution for switching out the audio on any HDMI media stream and adding in audio from an analog or digital SPDIF device. The product has a switch on the front that allows you to select between the native audio that comes in as part of the HDMI media stream or an analog source or an SPDIF source through that digital connection. The product fully supports 4K ultra high definition media content, and it's both HDMI 2.0B as well as HDCP 2.2 compliant, which means it's going to work great with all of your modern media equipment. Everything you need to get started is included with the kit, and with a few simple connections you can be up and running in no time. So until next time, thanks again for watching.